a cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty in my eyes. Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from LuvMe Hair. Today's unit goes by the name of 4C Edges, Highlight, Afro Curls, Glueless, 5x5, Closure, Undetectable, HD Lace Wig. This is how the unit is being portrayed online, and then this is how the unit is looking in person. Right off the bat, I'm noticing that the highlights are like a goldish color, and they're also very light and faint, and also they're more so like a focus towards the top of the unit and not necessarily throughout the entire unit. Of course, we have our 4C edges, and if you are someone who has like a 4B, 4C hair texture and you're not really in the business of like slicking down your natural edges, this should blend in really nicely. The cap construction for this unit comes with 4 combs in total, 1 in the back, 1 on each side, and it also has 1 in the very center of the unit. It also comes with adjustable straps and then also a pre-attached elastic band that you can adjust. As stated in the title of the unit, this is a 5x5 closure unit, so that's what she's looking like. You get 5 inches going across the front and then 5 inches going back for your parting space. And I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this unit has been pre-bleached and also pre-plucked as well from the looks of it. Mind you, I did not go in and do anything to this unit except for shampoo, condition her, and then I let her air dry overnight. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but this is how the curls are looking after I've shampooed, conditioned, and let the unit air dry overnight. I'll make sure to put in a clip of how the unit looked as soon as I pulled it out of the box. The curls were extremely tight, so I'm pretty happy that they have loosened up a bit, and I would say that the unit is pretty much 90 to 95% dry, so just know that once you wash the unit, the curls will loosen up. They offered this unit in 2 different lengths of 12 and 14, but they also offered in 2 different like cap stylings of like either a regular or a breathable. I'll make sure to pop up a picture of comparing the 2. If I'm thinking correctly, I received the 14-inch with the regular cap styling, but just make sure to check the description box below because that'll have all of the information for you. Low key, I feel like I should have done my makeup before the video because I feel like this is going to be one of those units to where you can just like throw her on and go, but I don't know. Let's throw her on or let's install her and find out and see.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Laying, babe. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the blood that made the coffee green. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will come through and chill. Just like you will. Shit, that's a good song. Come through and chill. Can I tell us some real shit? Yeah. In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneelings, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor white folks because they ignorant, blind to the struggles.
Let's go ahead and talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. Typically, I'm like, yes, girl, go out and get her right now. Or either I'm just like, it's not really my cup of tea. This one, I'm kind of like teeter-tottering in the middle. So let's start with my cons first. And the first one would have to be Miss Ma'am's does shed. Now, if you know anything about curly units, 9 times out of 10, you're going to have some type of like either tangling or shedding. This one, I'm not really getting so much tangling, it's more so shedding. Whenever I did my shampoo and condition, I noticed a lot more hair than normal came out. Also, whenever I was just fluffing the hair, I also noticed some more shedding. Now granted, the unit is very full and thick, so I mean, with the shedding that I've had,
I can't tell a difference, but it's still something to note. My second con about the unit is the styling of it. I love me a good 4C edge moment, I love me a good curly unit, and I love me a good bob. But I don't know, for some reason, I think it's more so the way this one is cut. I'm just not sure if it really fits me or my face. Now I could do me a cute little side part and see if that might change my mind, but I don't know, the way that this unit is cut, I just feel like a middle part fits and suits the unit the most. And I've said this a ton of times on this channel that I don't necessarily feel like middle parts suit me. Sometimes I think it looks really good, and then most of the time I think it just looks terrible. I don't feel like it looks terrible, but it's just, I don't know. When it comes to the lengths for this unit, again, I did get the 14-inch unit, so it's a little bit longer on the bottom, but then right here at the top near the framing of the face, it's a little bit shorter, and it also kind of like goes a little bit shorter around here. I don't know. I just don't know. But anywho, let's go ahead and move on to my pros. And by moving into my pros, the reason why I keep saying I don't know is because I low-key also like the styling. I know. Which one is it? I don't know. I feel like whenever I like try to fluff out the unit even more and make it like a little bit bigger, I think I like it more like this. But then when it goes to like settle down a bit, that's when I'm like, am I liking it or am I not liking it? Another pro about this unit is the 4C edges. Like, if you look close, this looks so natural and so good. I did go ahead and slick down my natural edges just because I did not want them out. Like, I need to wash my hair, and so I don't want like these nice, cute, clean 4C edges mixed in with my like dusty, dirty 4C edges. So yeah, I just went ahead and slicked them down. I feel like it looks better this way. Plus, you can't even really see them because the hair is falling over them anyways. Another pro for this unit is that I'm loving the curls on her. I'm really happy that the curls like kind of loosened up after I shampooed and conditioned the unit, because I don't know, if they would have stayed as tight as they were, I don't really think I would have liked the unit at all. To me, the curls are given really defined, really soft, even a little bit flirty in my opinion. I don't know. I keep looking down, by the way, because my mirror is right here. Another pro, probably my biggest pro for this unit, is how beginner friendly she is. Now, you could just take her out of the box and wear her instantly. I wouldn't recommend that. Again, I didn't like how tight the curls were initially, so I would go in and shampoo, condition the unit, and then let her air dry, or you could take a diffuser and dry her that way and then go about your day. The fact that this unit does come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and it comes with the 4C edges, so therefore if you have, again, 4B, 4C hair, it's gonna blend in very easily. You could most definitely wear this unit completely glueless, but I did go in with my even adhesive spray and spray some on the lace part up here, just because I like to make sure that my units don't go anywhere. I am someone who typically likes, you know, the 13x4s, the 13x6s, but I don't mind 5x5 closures, especially when it has the 4C edges, because then again, it's gonna blend so easily. I feel like I have more pros for this unit than I do cons, but again, I'm still just teeter-tottering in between, just because I'm not sure if I like the way it looks on me. But you guys let me know how you feel about this unit down in the comment section below. Thank you so much again to LuvMe Hair for sending over this unit for me to review. It is much appreciated. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at @tan_Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the comment section below, or the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.